Hello friends, welcome to another video on my channel. It is Sunday morning. Just got up. Well, I woke up like an hour ago, but just got out of bed like 10 minutes ago. It's around like 8:30 in the morning on this lovely Sunday, and I'm gonna bring you guys through a Sunday in my life. I love vlogging on a Sunday. Sundays are one of my favorite days of the week. Just made some breakfast and Sam's cleaning out the fridge. So we're gonna do a nice little fridge clean out to get ready for grocery shopping for this new week. And my family's visiting midweek, so you know, everything needs to be like put together. They need to know that I live nice. The faucet. Big reveal. It's beautiful in here. So clean, every single inch of it. It might not look any different to you on camera, but it is spotless. And we cleared out like everything, so we're ready to go grocery shopping in a fresh fridge. I am interrupting this video right now to talk about the sponsor, which is Casetify. I love working with Casetify so much because I've been having their cases on my phone for months now, if not a few years. They're the best. They protect your phone. I have not had a cracked phone since I've started using Casetify, and you can do really cute customization. So I always get questions on this one. It's the one that you see me with throughout this whole video. It's from Casetify. It's a custom mirror case. I put F word on it. But I just got 4 more in the mail that I wanted to show you. They're adorable. Little haul. Okay, we got this like leather one. It says Taylor on the bottom. I got a little FU podcast moment. I'm obsessed. And then I got 2 of their just print style cases. They have so many options to choose from. So if you don't want to customize a case, you can still find something that's perfect for you, because when I tell you, their website basically seems endless. When I'm there picking out a case, it takes me forever because I simply can't even see them all. There's so many, but I decided on these. I love them. This one says you are exactly where you need to be. And then this one says like little cute like mental health things like you're doing great, breathe in, breathe out. I love it. Forgive yourself. So cute. So I'm a big fan. I don't know which one's my favorite. Casetify's cases feature Chi-Tech technology, which makes them drop test approved for drops up to 9.8 feet. And you guys know sustainable efforts are so important to me, and their ultra impact and impact cases are actually made up of recycled materials. All of Casetify's cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous, and they also feature an antibacterial coating that kills 99% of bacteria, keeping your phone germ-free. I'm actually gonna put on my new case right now because I'm so excited about them. I'm feeling this cute little print one. Let's throw her on. So cute, I love her. And just for fun, let's do a little drop test. I'm gonna go drop her on my hardwood floors and show you guys just how well these cases work. Okay, so here we go. Good as new. I highly recommend getting a Casetify case for yourself, but if you're not in need of one right now, these would also make the perfect gift for friends and family. Like, how cute would it be to give someone a personalized phone case with their name on it? Lucky for you guys, if you want to get it for yourself or as a gift, you could go to casetify.com/Taylor Olson for 15% off your order. That's casetify.com/Taylor Olson to save 15%. Thank you so much, Casetify, for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back into the vlog. Okay, now that that's all done, it's time to go grocery shopping because as you saw, we kind of have nothing. I'm wearing this little romper from Forever 21, but I don't find it like the most flattering. Like, it's not like the Aritzia one. I don't have the Aritzia one, but the Aritzia one looks like it's more flattering. But you know, given this was like $10, so I'm putting this like kind of on top because I feel like I like how it looks better like that. I don't know. I'm wearing my low top blazers, best shoes in the whole entire world. But this is the grocery shopping fit. Quick stop at Starbucks before the grocery store. It's not focusing. I got a cold brew with 1 pump toasted vanilla, 1 pump sugar-free vanilla. So good. There we go, now you can see. If you saw one of my last videos, we went to Central Market, and now we're at Central Market. This one says at Westgate. It's like down, like South Lamar. Very excited. This one's supposed to be bigger and better. Best grocery store ever. We don't know where anything is in this grocery store, so it's taken us a while, but we finally reached the produce. I got a good amount of fun snacks though. I have the urge to get a lot of oh, whoa. $8.
Yeah, but it's probably for like a pound or something. Yeah, a pound. You're not gonna get a pound's worth of that stuff.
Okay, true. But like, look at all this cool fruit, guys. I kind of want to do a little fruit haul. There's a plant-based deli. This is like my dream come true. This is insane.
Like, look at this pre-made.
This is insane. Oh my god, look at this. Meatless pizza pepperoni kit. It's like a little kit to make a pizza. What the heck? This is so cool. Okay, so this grocery store, you have to like do this yourself. So we just had to like go back and get all our produce. My cart is like full to the brim. So okay, you've made more progress. Sam got a little more things. Her cart was empty like 2 seconds ago. But we're looking good. I'm done though. I think this is gonna be like $30,000. But it's okay. So much. Delicious. Really quick overview so I can get to putting it away and making a snack. But for greens, we got some celery for Sam to juice on up. Some broccoli, just the steam and bag ones, and some greens for salads. For like, what are the words for this? Condiments, if you will. I don't know. Almond butter. And this pineapple salsa looks so good. I got an orange to cut up and put in water because we do like citrus water, as well as a lot of the lemons. And then for fruit, I got 3 white nectarines and these lychees that I'm gonna try right now as a snack. I've had them once and they're so good, and I love lychee flavored things, so I thought I'd get a few. A watermelon that I also just wanna cut in half and snack on. And for the last of the fruit, I got berries for like oatmeal. They had this sugar-free Nadamu ice cream, so I had to get some. Some white rice. I've never seen the fried rice, so just had to get it. Never tried this either. I'll give you guys a review. Really high protein, really great macros. So this should be yummy. Frozen fruit for smoothies, carrots to snack on, seitan, you guys know the drill. Some plant-based deli meat, sourdough bread, plant-based chicken breast. We're gonna make sandwiches for dinner. Some more tortillas, some pancake mix, cereal, almond milk, more oatmeal because I'm running low, and cucumbers and tofu. And that is the giant overview. So I got these lychees like I just showed you. I don't know how you know which are the good ones. I'm gonna go for the darkest colored one. Oh my god, so good. It's pretty nice out. It's pretty hot, but I'm in the shade, so it's fine. I'm gonna read some of my book. I'm a pretty good chunk of the way through, a little over halfway. Try to see what I get through. I don't know, maybe just a chapter, maybe like a lot. The Guest List by Lucy Foley. It's what we're reading in the book club on Facebook if you want to join. Just search Fitness Uncensored on Facebook. It'll come right up. We have a good time in there. This is good. It's like a murder mystery. So I'm just going to chill out here and read for a bit. So it's so hot that I decided to put on a bathing suit while laying here because I was dying. I read like 3 chapters of this. It's only 2 p.m., but it's literally so hot to sit out here. So I think I'm gonna go inside and grab a drink. Maybe I'll come back out, I don't know. But it's like over 100 degrees every day this week and it's hot. I feel it. I'm dying, but I know I'm getting a great tan. I just popped in for a snack of some of this dip with these carrots. This dip is literally sent from God himself. So freaking good. So good with the carrots. I had to like stop myself because I want to have more like tomorrow and throughout the week. I'm like, don't eat it all in one sitting because you're gonna be really mad when that's gone. But these carrots are like addicting. So I took that shower, shaved, exfoliated, washed my hair, purple shampoo. You guys already know that that's a Sunday activity for me. Threw on some comfy clothes and Sam was like, I'm gonna go run errands. I'm bored. I have nothing to do. So I want to go. She has to go to Whole Foods and she's gonna go to Delight's, so why not? Because there's nothing else to do here. We were gonna go to the park to watch a sunset later, but it's literally over 100 degrees, so that doesn't sound fun. So we're gonna figure out what we're doing with the rest of our afternoon. So we just went to Whole Foods, and yesterday we met this man right on like the side entering the highway, and we have to go there anyway. His name is Frank. We gave him $1. That's all we had, but we were like, you know what, we're gonna be back for you, Frank.
And I said to him, I go, do you ever need food?
Yeah, that was all I had in cash was $1. That's it. But I was like, we'll be back if you're here more, because it's like, it's how you get onto the highway. We pass it often. But, so we went to Whole Foods and we picked him up some food and some drinks, and we're gonna go drop it off to him. So this is just...
Fingers crossed he's there.
Yeah, we really hope he's there, or else, I mean, that would kind of suck. But either way,
I'll just be putting the pizza and the food in my car every single time we
literally. But do something kind for someone. Go out of your way to do something nice for someone. It literally brings so much. There just needs to be,
it was just
like,
so much
more,
fun.
There needs to be more like kindness into the world, and it also just brings so much more good stuff into your life. Like, you get what you put out. So just do something kind for someone. Like, if you're like at the nail salon, like leave a good tip, or like bring like a homeless person your silly food, like anything.
No, it's a dirt bike guy.
It's a biker.
Fuck!
Guys, he's not here.
Oh my god, he left a water bottle.
What if he's like walking around?
I'm so sad.
What if he's walking around? Like, what if we see him when we come back?
Well, I don't know, man.
There's a water there. Okay, so there was a water bottle there, but no sign of Frank.
No sign of Frank.
Hi, boys. You guys haven't been in my video. Hi, baby boys. You're so handsome. You're so pretty. They were just cuddling while we were gone. Just made a giant salad for dinner. Asian style vibes. We got a peanut dressing, tofu edamame, crunchy little fried noodles, cucumber, and some kimchi. So delicious. And Sam got these new bowls on Amazon. She debated it for like weeks and she finally bought them. They're pretty cool. And I used my new salad chopper that I also got on Amazon. So our salad game is just superior. I'm now in my car because I just finished cleaning like our whole apartment, head to toe, top to bottom. She's spotless. Okay, she's gorgeous. She's super clean. It was smelling like we had 2 pets, which yes, we do have 2 pets, but that's not the smell you want to give when you walk into an apartment. So I wiped down every single surface. We lit some candles, did my whole bathroom clean out, which I do every single Sunday because Phineas basically lives in there anyways. And I was like, I need to clean my car. There's trash everywhere. It's just disorganized. The floors are dirty. So I brought my little vacuum. I got this on Amazon, I think. I'll put it in my Amazon store. It might already be in my Amazon store, but I like it. It gets the job done for like hard to reach spots. So it'll be perfect for my car. And I just have to throw away trash and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do it now. Sam was like, what are you on? Because I was like, I'm gonna clean the whole apartment. And I'm like, I'm gonna go clean my car. She's like, are you fucking good? And I'm just like, I'm all or nothing, and if I'm gonna start cleaning, I'm doing every single bit of my life. So now I'm gonna vacuum out my car. Because as you can see, we got trash, we got old water bottles, we got dirty floors. It needs work. So it's not perfect, but the trash is gone and she's just way better. This is all trash. Now, to keep up with the productivity of things, I'm just going to make sure my calendar, my Google Calendar, is all ready to go and that I'm not missing anything that I'm supposed to have on here. Just updating things, doing all of that. And yeah, just trying to stay organized for the week. Currently eating this pint of sugar-free vanilla nadamu. So good. Amazing ice cream. I think it's 300 calories for the whole pint, so not bad. Tastes so good. Watching So You Think You Can Dance, the new season. New set of judges, which is interesting. Compared to like, you know, like the OGs. I love JoJo Siwa. Big fan of JoJo Siwa, by the way. Fun fact about me. But it's like 7:30. But this is how I like to be by 7:30 p.m. Okay, so it's really dark in here right now, so I just turned off my lights, put on a season of Survivor, did my skincare, slugged my whole face, moisturized my body, And now I'm gonna lay here until I fall asleep. It is 8:30. I'm telling you guys, I'm a grandma, but I like to be laying down watching TV and asleep by about 9:30 or 10. That's ideal for me. So this is where I'm gonna end off the night. Thank you guys so much for watching my productive little Sunday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.